Hi, my name is Usman, and in today's video training of Python, we are going to look at Python datetime. A date in Python is not a data type of its own, but we can import a module named datetime to work with dates as date objects. As an example, you can import the datetime module and display the current date. Let's see this in action. Let's go back to PyCharm and import date time, and let's clear a variable x and initialize it with datetime.now. Let's print the value of variable x. Let's run the program. You see we have 2020 12/06, which is 6th of December 2020. The time is 5:37, and in the last, this is micro time. 44 is the second and 103630 is the micro time. As we saw when we executed the program, the date contained year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and microsecond. The datetime module has many methods to return information about the date object. For example, if you want to return the year and name of weekday, you need to call the appropriate property of the datetime object. Let's see this in action. Let's go back to our program and let's see if we want to just print out the year. We say x.year. Let's run the program, and you can see we have got year on the console output, that is 2020. Now let's see if we want to print the name of the weekday. So x.strf time and %a. Let's run the program. You see we have got Sunday on the console output. We can also create date objects. To create a date, we use the datetime class constructor of the datetime module. The datetime class requires 3 parameters to create a date. The parameters are year, month, and day. So let's create a date object. First import the datetime module and then create a datetime object, datetime.datetime, and pass year, month, and day to that as a parameter to that the constructor of the datetime object, and then print x. The datetime class also takes parameters for time and time zone, hour, minute, second, microsecond, and time zone, but they are optional and has a default value of 0, none for time zone. So let's see this action. Let's create a datetime object. Import datetime, and okay, let's pass 2020 and year 2020 and month 12 and date 6. Okay, the format should be without the preceding 0, so just remove the 0 from the date and run the program again. You can see we have got Sunday on the console. So that's how you can create your own datetime object. Python date object also have a very useful method, that is strftime. The datetime object has this method for formatting date objects into readable strings. The method is called strftime and takes one parameter, format, to specify the format of the returned string. Let's say if we want to display the name of the month. So let's see this in action. First of all, we have already created a datetime object, and let's see if we want to print the month. run the program. You can see we have got December, which is the month of the date time object, and we use the strftime method to display this month. That's it for Python dates. See you next time with a new topic in Python. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care.